Today, I'm going to show you how we're securing the most stolen car in America.
Car thieves have a favorite, and it shows.
Hyundai's Elantra was stolen more than 48,000 times.
Stealing Kias and Hyundais with a cell phone charger.
Now, this is a 2025 Hyundai Elantra N, and after seeing that it was the most stolen car in the country for the last 3 years, this customer knew he had to do something to protect it. We hooked him up with our flagship product, the PRO T13. This two-way LCD remote will help him stay connected with his car and keep it safe when he's not around. Now, we made a lot of upgrades to this vehicle, and to keep it simple, we're going to break it down into 3 sections: security detection, alerts, and video. So let's start with security detection. The DAS2 is a 4-in-1 security sensor that detects 2 stages of shock, glass breakage, and tilt. That means if somebody bumps the vehicle, smashes the window, or attempts to tow it away, the system can detect that immediately. The second layer of protection is secure push to start. Secure push to start disables the vehicle's start button whenever the Compustar system is armed. This means that even if the thief has the factory key or manages to clone the factory key, the vehicle will not start. The only way to re-enable the push button ignition is via the Compustar remote or the DroneMobile app. Of course, detecting a threat is only half of the battle. The next step is making sure the owner knows about it immediately, and that's where the PRO T13 shines. The DAS2 sensor communicates directly with the remote and sends real-time notifications whenever the alarm is triggered. This customer also opted for a DroneMobile app subscription, which adds GPS tracking, lock, unlock, and remote start directly from their phone. And the final layer of protection is video. This vehicle is also equipped with our brand new Drone XC2. It's a 2K 3-channel LTE connected dash camera that works in conjunction with the rest of the Compustar security system. Now, here's why that's important. If someone is tampering with the vehicle and the alarm sounds, the owner will get an instant notification on their smartphone, and from there, they can access the live feed of the Drone XC2 in real time. Whether it's the front, rear, or interior camera, they can check on their vehicle from virtually anywhere. So that does it for our security walkthrough on this Hyundai Elantra N. If you're interested in designing your own system, you can visit our website and try out our system builder, or you can reach out to your local Compustar dealer. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.